What would you do if someone gave you £1 million or $1 million?
I would buy a very nice house somewhere hot and have a very large studio and a boat.
I would spend some of it right away, and I would put some away for later, and I would give some to my children for their future.
Oh, I'd pay for my wedding.
I go shopping and buy clothes.
I'd retire.
Mubarak Samji is a dentist in England. Are people frightened of going to see him?
People are, even in this day and age, frightened of going to the dentist, and it is generally because they've had a bad experience in the past. Usually in the 6, 5, 4, and... If a patient turned up who was very frightened, you would have to go through the various stages. First of all, I would try doing treatment with just a local anesthetic. But because people are frightened of needles, I would ask them to take a tranquilizer by mouth, which in most cases makes them feel a little better. But you do also get patients who are beyond that, and for them they would have to have a tranquilizer administered in their vein. And you unfortunately also get the final category of patient who will need to actually be put out completely by means of a general anesthetic.
If you're frightened of going to the dentist's, you should look after your teeth. What advice does Mr. Samji give about that?
The advice varies according to age group. The advice that I would give to young children is that they should not eat too many sweets, and they should regularly clean their teeth by brushing, especially last thing at night. Do you eat a lot of sweets?
Only on Saturdays.
Well, that's good. So not so many.
No.
That's ever so important. You should eat as few as possible because it's sweets that give you holes in your teeth. Alrighty.
Yes.
And how about brushing? How often do you brush your teeth?
In the mornings and sometimes in the evenings.
Excellent. Brushing in the evening is ever so important. You should brush every evening before bedtime. And remember not to eat anything straight after you've brushed your teeth. Alright. For adults, the main advice is on the prevention of gum disease, in addition to the prevention of decay. And it is for that reason that adults should clean carefully in between their teeth, again, especially at night.